Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel iTech Analytics Solutions. This is complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series, and this is the 14th video of this series. In this video, let's understand about the simple DAX functions format. Let's go to our Power BI window and we'll try to understand how this format function will work. Let's assume that I have this order date and I want to change the format of this order date. So I'll click on this new column and we'll mention the format function. So let's give the column name as order date format equals. Let me type format, the function. I'll use tab. You can see here it says converts a value to text in the specified number format. So we can convert any value into different number formats. But keep in mind, when we use this format, the values, when we change that to a number format, a different formats, that will get converted to text data type. Alright, you can also see the parameters here. It says value, comma, format. So let's go and take this order date. I'm selecting this order date, comma. It lasts for the format. I'll use D. D is for day. I'll use 2 characters of the day, comma. Then I'll use M. M is for month. I'll use 4M so that I'll get the full month name. Y is for year. I'll use all the 4 numbers in the year, comma. I want weekday name. I'll use D, 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 and D. So this will give me the complete name of the week. Double quotes and close bracket. Press enter. You can see the date format would have changed like this. Now suppose I want hyphen. I can go here. I'll give hyphen here for day, month, and year. I'll press enter. You can see I'm getting the format what I've mentioned here. So this is how you can use format DAX function. Alright, so we understood about the format function in DAX, and in the next video let's try to understand about the context, that is row context and filter context. So if you're looking for a better career in data analytics, please do contact us through mobile number or the email ID mentioned on screen, and also you can visit our website www.itsinc.in. You get more information about our courses, and also there are many free courses which you can enroll and learn. If you're still not following us, please do follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and the links have been given in the description box below. So if you like this video, please give a like and also share this with all your friends, colleagues, and whoever needs this DAX series. And please comment your suggestions in the comment box. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.